Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a quick little video playing around. This is a Cricut Joy Card Mat. They invented this or created this, Cricut did, to use with the Cricut Joy machine. And you slide the paper in here, and then when you slide it through the Cricut Joy, it'll cut the card super quick and super easy. And I don't have a Cricut Joy, I have a Cricut Maker, but I thought this was a really neat feature. And so I bought it and I thought I'm gonna try and place it on my green mat and see if I can still get the benefit of this Cricut Joy mat, but with my maker. So let's give it a try and see if it'll work. So what I have done in order to make sure I can line up my image and design space and have it match here on the mat and cut properly, I've taken the Cricut Joy mat and I've lined up this white part here, this edge, this is where the paper goes in, and I lined it up with the 2 and then with the 1 over here. So that way I'll know in design space that I want my design to go right here. And then I put some painter's tape down just to help make sure that this mat sticks to the green mat. And then the mat, it has different card sizes, the standard different card sizes that you can use. And I'm gonna I cut one down to this size. This is a standard, what is that, 4.25 by 5.5. I think that might be the standard A2 card size maybe. And I'm just playing around with a scrap piece of paper. And you just slide the back of the card underneath that plastic, and then you have this card up here, and you line it up at the top. So you want to make sure it's all the way to the top. And I'll trim this off later. I'm just kind of playing around. And that's it. And then you have your paper in there. I'm going to show you how I found the Cricut Joy cards. All right, so I created a new project. I'm on my canvas here, and I go over to projects. And what I do, even though I don't have a Cricut Joy, I change my setting up here, my machine, from a Cricut Maker to a Cricut Joy. And then when I do that, all these different Cricut Joy projects show up. And I'm looking for a birthday one, so I'm going to type in birthday. And the one that I'm going to use is this Birthday Queen. Once you have figured out which card you're going to use, so I'm going to use this Birthday Queen, then just favorite it. So click on the little star and then favorite it. And then what you do is you can go back and change your machine back to the maker, and then it takes you back. So then you can go back to your canvas, and then under projects, go to my favorites, and there the card will show up. And so now you have your maker selected, and you can do this with the Air Explorer as well. Explorer Air 2. You just click on it, and then you click on the Make It button. So then you can see the card comes in now on the regular Cricut Maker mat. And I have purposely put my Cricut Joy mat, I put it at the number 2 up here at the top and down number 1. And so I lined it up, so then I just line this, the cut edge just a little bit to the right of that number 2 line, because I want to take into account the fold on the paper, and then I should be ready to go. So then I'm just going to hit the continue button. And then I'm going to set medium cardstock and default pressure and just use the fine point blade. And then I'm going to load it and cut it out. Alright, y'all. Cutting this out. Using the Joy Mat and the standard grip mat with my Cricut Maker. Okay, here's the first attempt. I must have done something wrong. Okay, you all. I forgot to take the protective cover off. Oops. Let's try this again. Okay, take two. I've taken the protective cover off, so now the paper is actually sticking to it. That might help a lot this time. Take two. Okay, take two seems to be going a lot better since the paper is actually sticking to the mat. Surprise, surprise. You all, look at that beauty. It's looking pretty good. Let me weed it. Well, it cut it out pretty good, I think. Not too bad. It was a little tricky to get it off the mat over here, but I just took my time. So I think I would call this a success. Let me know what you all think. I trimmed down the pink piece of paper, put behind here so you could see it. So I kind of like this. I'm going to play around with it some more. I just wanted to kind of do a quick tester. And so the concept actually works. I think it's successful to use a Cricut Joy Card Mat on top of my green mat. It cut out very nicely as long as I remember to take this protective cover off. Oops. Yeah, I think, I didn't size this down, perfectly because I was just playing around, but it worked. And so I think that's pretty cool. So, something for you all to consider if you don't have a Cricut Joy, but you make cards and you really like that feature of this, you give it a try and use it on your Cricut Maker or your Cricut Explore Air series, and let me know what you all think. I mean, this mat, I think it was, I don't know, $10 or $15, and to be able to throw together a quick little card in an emergency that looks nice, I think that's pretty cool. So anywho, thank you for watching, and for all of y'all who have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I will keep those videos coming for you all. And if you have any requests of videos that you'd like for me to do to help you out with the Cricut, please leave that down in the comments below. And please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all soon.